Hi, come back to the same chapter. Here the next question. The diagram shows part of two regular polygons A and B. A has 10 sides and exterior angle 3x and B has exterior angle 2x, and we have to find out the number of sides polygon B has. Exterior angle is unknown because x is there, so we have to find x value. If the exterior angle is given, then we can easily find out how many sides are there by using the formula. So here we can start with first diagram. A is having 10 sides. So you can use the formula exterior angle equal to 360 degree divided by number of sides. From here you can find out your x value because you can equate exterior angle is 3x, 360 degree, and diagram A says 10 sides. So by equating this you will understand what is x. So replace your x value in diagram B. Replace x in polygon B so that you will get exterior angle. Okay. After replacing, you will come to know exterior angle of polygon B. After that, we can use number of sides formula because we need to find number of sides. So the formula is number of sides equal to 360 degree divided by exterior angle. By this, you will come to know the number of sides where the polygon B has. And the next question, the diagram shows part of a pattern made from tiles. This is tile A and tile B. There are two tiles is given. Both tile A and B are regular polygons. Means the sides are equal only. And the question is find out how many sides are there in tile A. So here the shape 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And the figure is not completed, so we cannot say by seeing the diagram itself tile A is having this much side and B is having like this. It's not possible. And we can start with B concept because B is an equilateral triangle here, because they said B is also having regular sides. Regular means all the three sides are equal. All the three sides are equal means it is an equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all the three sides will be equal to 60 degree only. So in that way, I can say this is also 60. And you can take at this point 1, 2 and 3. 3 lines are there and you have 3 angles at a point. So here you can say angle at a point which is 360 degree. Angle at a point is 360 degree. That concept we can use. Already you know only 60 degree. So take away 60 from 360. Whatever you are getting, just make it two pieces. One is for this and another one is for this. In that way, you can find out tile A interior angle. Whatever the answer you are getting, you have to divide it by 2 because you have two values 1 and 2. Divided by 2, that is meaning of interior angle of tile A. So once you get the tile A interior angle, you can easily find out the exterior also because we need to find number of sides only. So after that you can write exterior angle is equal to 180 minus interior, whatever you are finding, take away from 180 so that you will come to know your exterior angle. Then sides equal to 360 degree divided by exterior angle. That will tell you how many sides the figure A is having. We can go for the next question. Here the diagram is given and it says regular hexagon, means all the sides are equal and we need to find the value of x. It is regular hexagon, so all the sides are equal. If this is equal, this is also equal only. Equal sides can make equal angle. If this is x, this is also x only. And what about this? This is called interior angle of hexagon. So you have to find out interior angle first. So you can use the last formula or you can use the first formula. I am going with first formula, which is easy for me. To find the interior angle, I am going to find the exterior first of all, because exterior we have easy formula 360 degree divided by number of sides. As it is hexagon, I can say I have 6 sides. So that I am coming to know exterior angle is 60 degree. But I need interior. If you want interior angle, take away that exterior from 180. That will give you interior. Now interior is 120 degree. Now I am going to concentrate only this portion. It's make a triangle here. In this triangle, if this angle is 120 degree, what about these two angles? So we have to use angle sum property. Angle sum in triangle is 180 degree. Take away 120 from that, so that whatever you are getting, you can give it for both the x. So we can find out x easily. And the next diagram shown below is an interior angle from a regular polygon. Again, regular polygon means equal sides. It's an interior angle. And they are asking you to find out number of sides. If 175 is interior, easily you can find exterior angle is equal to 180 minus 175, which gives 5 degree. But we need sides. To find sides, we have the formula 360 degree by exterior angle. Use the values in this formula so that we can find the number of sides. And in the next diagram, one regular hexagon and one regular octagon is given, and we need to find out y value. So at this point we have y and this and this. There are 3 angles. One is interior angle of hexagon, another one is interior angle of regular octagon. So we have to find out interior angle of hexagon first of all, interior, then interior angle of octagon next, then add up both the angle and take away from 360 degree. So you have to use 3 rules. One is hexagon interior, another one octagon interior, then angle at a point 360 degree to get y value. And the next image, again it is an octagon. We need to find angle AOB. So we can connect AOB. Here like this we can make 8 triangles because it has 8 sides. 1 like this we can find out 8 triangles. So what we can say, whatever the interior angles we have, just divide it by 8 so that you will get angle AOB. Next, calculate the size of angle ABC. To get ABC, this is ABC. ABC says interior angle. B is interior. So find interior. That's all. Here, whatever the value you have, divided by 8 so that you will get only this portion. Thanks for watching this. We can continue the rest of the problem in another video. Thank you.